Hey guys, a very good morning from Hanoi. We reached today morning and we had a long flight yesterday from Mumbai. We started at around 11:05. We had our flight and we landed around 4 a.m. India time. And it took us around 2.5 hours to reach Halong. So we are here on an 8-day long tour and we'll be covering only the North Vietnam this time, and can't wait to explore the different places of Vietnam. So we'll just freshen up and head for lunch because it's already lunchtime, and then go out and explore a few places in Halong for the entire day today. And that's all we have on our agenda for today. Just chill and explore the places because we had a long journey last night. So yeah, let's go. We're trying to find lunch for a long time. All the restaurants are closed. And we are famished. So finally lunch done, and we have come to this amusement park called Sun World. We wanted to go up the cable ride overlooking the Halong Bay. So let's see if that's functional, if we can get the tickets and go till the top and just enjoy the view. Such a nice park for kids to enjoy. There's some food joint here. There are fountains. Lots of trees. It's beautiful. It's very beautiful. So this is it to our first day in Vietnam. It was a pretty chill and relaxed day because we had a long journey and we didn't sleep the entire night. It's like almost 30 hours without sleep. And it was fun. It was relaxed. It was fun. And we were super tired and we'll just go off to sleep after having dinner. And tomorrow we are going for an exciting trip which I have always looked forward to. We are going on a cruise in Halong Bay for an entire day, and this is something really new for me. This is the first time I'm doing it and I am so looking forward to it. So I'll just have a good sleep today and tomorrow I'll be all fresh to go on with another exciting day here, and I would love to enjoy every bit of it. So join me on this trip of day 2 in Halong Bay. So keep watching my vlog and do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos from me. Bye bye. Good night.